Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about KMU-CAT 2025 Chemistry MCQs Part 1B. Dear students, if you need MCQs for KMU-CAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. अगर आपको KMU-CAT टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन के लिए MCQs चाहिए तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं. डियर व्यूवर्स, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें. शुक्रिया. अगर आप KMU-CAT टेस्ट के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है. इस वीडियो को आखिर तक ज़रूर देखें. The amino acid that is used to synthesize many hormones: option A valine, B phenylalanine, C alanine, and option D histidine. So the correct option is B phenylalanine. Explanation is phenylalanine is a precursor for tyrosine, dopamine, norepinephrine, and epinephrine. So this is very important MCQs. NH3 ammonia is detoxified in the brain chiefly as option A urea, B uric acid, C creatinine, and option D glutamine. So the correct option is D glutamine. The brain converts toxic ammonia to glutamine via glutamine synthetase. All of the following are branch chain amino acids except option A isoleucine, B alanine, C leucine, and option D valine. So the correct option is B alanine. Alanine has a simple straight chain while isoleucine, leucine, and valine are branch chain amino acids that play important roles in muscle metabolism. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from a technologist. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. At a pH below the isoelectric point, an amino acid exists is option A caution, B anion, C zwitterine, and option D undissociated molecule. So the correct option is A caution. Explanation is below pH the amino acid gains a positive charge caution due to protonation. Gluteins are present in option A milk, B eggs, C meat, and option D cereals. So the correct option is D cereals. Glutein, for example, glutenin in wheat are plant storage proteins. Amino acids are insoluble in option A acetic acid, B chloroform, C ethanol, and option D benzene. So the correct option is D benzene. Amino acids are non-polar and do not dissolve properly in non-polar solvent like benzene. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. A zwitterine has an aqueous solution. Option A 1 positive charge and 1 negative charge, B 2 positive charges and 1 negative charge, C 2 negative charges and 1 positive charge, and option D no electrical charges at all. So the correct option is A 1 positive charge and 1 negative charge. So explanation is zwitterines have both positive and negative groups at neutral pH. In humans, NH3 is detoxified in the liver is option A creatinine, B uric acid, C urea, and option D uremic acid. So the correct option is C urea. The liver's urea cycle converts ammonia to less toxic urea for excretion. Optically active compounds are capable of Option A, different directions. B, rotating plane of polarized light. C, showing the same chemical properties. And option D, none of these. So the correct option is B, rotating plane of polarized light. So explanation is, this is the defining property of optical activity. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. The side chain of which of the following amino acid contains a sulfur atom? Option A, methionine. B, threonine. C, leucine. And option D, tryptophan. So the correct option is A, methionine. Methionine contains a sulfur atom in its side chain. So all amino acids have one asymmetric carbon atom except option A, arginine. B, asparagine. C, histidine. And option D, glycine. So the correct option is D, glycine. Glycine is the exception due to its symmetric structure. Number of amino acids present in the plant, animals and microbial proteins. Option A, 20. B, 80. C, 150. And option D, 200. So the correct option is A, 20. All organisms use the same set of 20 standard amino acids for protein synthesis. The bond in proteins that is not hydrolyzed under usual conditions of denaturation. Option A, hydrophobic bond. B, hydrogen bond. C, disulfide bond. And option D, peptide bonds. So the correct option is D, peptide bonds. Peptide bonds require strong acid base or enzymatic hydrolysis. If amino group and a carboxylic group of the amino acid are attached to the same carbon atom, the amino acid is called option A, alpha. B, beta. C, gamma. And option D, delta. So the correct option is A, alpha. In alpha amino acid, both groups are attached to the alpha carbon. SGOT level in an adult is option A, 5 to 40 units per deciliter. B, 1 to 4 units per deciliter. C, 5 to 15 units per deciliter. And option D, 50 to 100 units per deciliter. So the correct option is A, 5 to 40 units per deciliter. This is the normal range for serum aspartate aminotransferase. Number of amino acids present in the dietary proteins. Option A, 22. B, 23. C, 20. And option D, 19. So the correct option is C, 20. Dietary proteins contain the same 20 amino acid as body proteins. Dear students, if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें. So this is very important MCQs. Urea synthesis takes place in option A, blood. B, liver. C, kidneys. And option D, heart. So the correct option is B, liver. Explanation is, the urea cycle occurs primarily in liver, mitochondria and cytosol. What is the reference compound for determining the absolute configuration of an optically active compound? Option A, alanine. B, lactic acid. C, glyceraldehyde. And option D, dihydroxyacetone. So the correct option is C, glyceraldehyde. Thank you for watching my videos.